Learn powerful refactoring techniques in ClaudeCode to improve code maintainability. By the end of this video, you'll be able to enhance code quality through systematic refactoring. Did you know that refactoring can increase your codebase's lifespan by years? Welcome to our exploration of ClaudeCode Refactoring Techniques designed to boost maintainability. In this video, we will delve into practical methods for transforming your code into a maintainable masterpiece without altering its core functionality. Whether you're an experienced developer or just starting, mastering these techniques will prevent technical debt and improve your team's productivity.
Refactoring involves systematically improving your code without changing its external behavior. It's different from rewriting, which often starts from scratch. Refactoring is crucial for maintaining a clean codebase, allowing you to spot and fix issues early. In ClaudeCode, specific techniques can help you identify opportunities for refactoring, like analyzing code structure and dependencies. These opportunities are usually marked by code smells indicators of potential problems that, if addressed, can enhance code readability and performance. Code smells are surface indicators of deeper problems in your code. In ClaudeCode, common smells include duplicated code, long methods, and large classes. Identifying these can be challenging, but it's a necessary step in refactoring. Techniques like peer reviews and automated tools can help you spot these issues early. Ignoring code smells can lead to increased complexity and bugs, hindering your team's ability to maintain the code long-term. Tools like SonarQube or specific IDE plugins can automate this process, offering insights into potential refactoring areas. Complex logic can bog down even the most experienced developers, making code difficult to read and maintain. Simplifying logic involves breaking down complicated processes into smaller, more manageable pieces. Techniques such as decomposition, use of design patterns, and clear variable naming can greatly enhance clarity. Simplifying logic not only makes code easier to understand but also reduces the likelihood of errors. Tools like Visual Studio Code's refactoring options and various plugins can assist in this simplification, providing automated suggestions and refactoring pathways. Method extraction is a refactoring technique that involves taking a fragment of code and turning it into a separate method. This not only makes your code more readable but also reusable and easier to test. The process involves identifying repetitive code blocks, deciding on method parameters, and implementing the changes consistently across the codebase. However, be cautious of over-extraction, which can lead to excessive fragmentation. IDEs like JetBrains and Eclipse offer built-in features to assist with method extraction, ensuring a smooth transition.
Renaming and moving classes are crucial for maintaining a clear and logical code structure. A meaningful name reflects the purpose of a class and aids in understanding the codebase. ClaudeCode's refactoring tools allow seamless renaming and relocation of classes, minimizing disruptions. When a class grows beyond its intended purpose or logically belongs in another module, moving it can help maintain cohesion and reduce dependencies. Automated refactoring tools ensure that all references are updated, preventing errors that could arise from manual changes. A well-organized code structure is foundational to maintainability, making it easier to navigate and understand. Techniques such as modularization, proper use of interfaces, and maintaining a consistent style guide are key. ClaudeCode offers guidelines and tools to help developers adhere to best practices, ensuring that code remains scalable and robust. Improving structure not only streamlines development but also facilitates onboarding for new team members, as a clear structure reduces the learning curve significantly. Automated refactoring tools are invaluable in modern software development, offering efficiency and accuracy that manual refactoring cannot match. Popular tools like Refactor.io and ReSharper provide features specifically designed for ClaudeCode, automating tasks like code smell detection and method extraction. While these tools significantly speed up the refactoring process, developers must still review changes to ensure they align with project requirements. Integrating these tools with ClaudeCode maximizes their utility, allowing for seamless code improvements and a streamlined workflow. Regular refactoring offers numerous benefits that extend beyond immediate code quality improvements. It fosters better team collaboration by making the codebase more understandable and reducing barriers to entry for new developers. By addressing potential issues early, refactoring reduces technical debt and increases the flexibility of the code, allowing for easier implementation of new features. These practices ultimately lead to long-term maintainability, ensuring that the code remains adaptable to future needs and technological advancements. Refactoring is not a one-time task but a continuous journey towards achieving high-quality software. It requires strategic planning and an understanding of best practices. By embracing refactoring, developers can ensure their code remains robust, efficient, and adaptable. We'd love to hear about your refactoring experiences and techniques. Comment below on how you've used refactoring to enhance your projects. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on more Claude Code tips.